very sweet and good morning from the beautiful city of Ahmedabad. Sorry, we just paid 1,000 rupees fine for not wearing mask in our car. If you plan to visit Ahmedabad in this pandemic period, beware of wearing mask even in your car. Police may caught you anywhere on the road. It's very risky. You have to wear mask. It's compulsory. Okay, so yesterday we visited Statue of Unity, where we captured some incredible moments and memories. It is a must-visit place in 2021. Everyone should plan a holiday there. They took very proper precautions during this pandemic period. Each and every place was sanitized. They sanitized us. Our temperatures were checked. I guess it is okay to visit places now. Now this is the new normal. You have to consider it. Okay, so now अभी हम लोग भुज के लिए निकल रहे हैं. We just sat in our cars. So yes, there we'll visit. It will take roughly around 7 to 8 hours again. It is 400 kilometers from Ahmedabad. अभी हमने ब्रेकफास्ट भी नहीं किया है. Hi माँ. Hi.
Good morning.
तो we are not exploring Ahmedabad right now. टाइम नहीं है उतना और अभी भुज भी पहुंचना है. उसके लिए भी शाम हो जाएगी. देन वहाँ पे घूमना है. आफ्टर भुज we are going to leave to Kutch. So let's see अभी how the day goes. Yes. Now we are just 80 kilometers away from Bhuj. अभी लंच के लिए रुके हैं. So we have now finally reached Bhuj. यहाँ पे भी first visit the palace और फिर आगे का भी walking distance पे ही है nearby. So yes, let's go there. अभी तो walk करके जा रहे हैं. We have parked our cars. So palace is in between the city. Cars एकदम सिटी वाली प्लेस में पार्क की है. काफ़ी लोग हैं, काफ़ी रश है इंसान. We have reached the palace and yes. So we have reached Prag Mahal Palace. It is very nice. So this is the clock tower, what you can see here. The palace is not actually very big, but it is very nice and a very good place to click your pictures. So at the back side of the palace, वहाँ पे हमें आईना महल दिखा है. तो अभी we are going in there. You have to remove your shoes here. So even after paying, videography was not allowed inside. So I clicked some pictures to show you guys how beautiful Aaina Mahal is from inside. I'll add some clips. So half of the palace like this broke due to the Bhuj earthquake. This one is the broken part, and exactly in front of it is the clock tower and the part which was not damaged. You have shopping point also here. Back here are a few tents located for typical Gujarati-ish shop. तो अभी हम लोग बाहर आ गए हैं, तो मास्क पहनना कंपलसरी है। अभी एक छोटे से टी ब्रेक के लिए रुके हैं, तो रास्ते पे हम स्टारबक्स की कॉफ़ी का मज़ा ले रहे हैं। अभी वी हैव विजिटेड most common places in Kutch. तो फिर अभी यहाँ से we are leaving for Kutch. Within 1.5 hours we will reach Kutch. So till then, be excited. Bye.